Understanding the phrases, patch up. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into the world of English idiomatic phrases, and we'll be focusing on the term, patch up. Ever wondered what it means when someone says, let's patch things up? Stay with us to get a clear understanding. Before we discuss the idiomatic use, let's first understand the literal meaning of patch up. To patch means to repair something, especially in a makeshift way, using materials that are readily available. Think of it like putting a patch on a torn piece of cloth. For example, after the storm, he patched up the roof with some leftover materials. Now, let's delve into its idiomatic usage. When used as a phrase, patch up often refers to resolving disagreements or misunderstandings between people. It signifies the act of making peace or mending a broken relationship. For instance, after their argument, they decided to patch things up and remain friends. Let's look at some more examples to get a better grasp. 1. Sarah and Jane patched up their differences and went on a trip together. 2. It took a while, but the siblings finally patched things up after the misunderstanding. 3. They had a major falling out, but a mutual friend helped them patch up. That's a wrap on patch up. Remember, whether it's mending a piece of clothing or a relationship, this phrase is all about repair and reconciliation. We hope this video clarified its meaning for you. Keep exploring the beauty of the English language, and we'll be back with more explanations. Happy learning!